Thank you for joining us tonight. Polls across the state of Wisconsin closed 2 hours ago.
The votes have been counted for the most part. We have been getting some early results in a crucial spring primary. In the only statewide race, this is for the state Supreme Court. Dane County Circuit Judge Jill Karofsky and current Justice Daniel Kelly are the top two vote getters tonight. They will move on to the spring general election on April 7th. Longtime Milwaukee law professor Ed Fallone was eliminated.
Our Amy Reed has been following this race for weeks now, and she joins us now with the latest on these candidates.
These results weren't too surprising. If you go off of fundraising dollars, Kelly and Karofsky were pulling in much more than Fallone. Karofsky celebrated in Madison tonight. She lives here and is a circuit court judge for Dane County. She also pulled in about 63% of the vote here, with 91% of precincts reporting. She's perceived as a liberal candidate with the backing of Democratic lawmakers. In her celebration speech tonight, she said she wants to stop corruption, likely taking shots at Justice Daniel Kelly, her opponent in April.
We got to finish this. I'm a distance runner, but we have a 7-week sprint to the general election. We need all hands on deck in order to win this race. The incumbent and his big money special interest machine are going to throw so much mud at me, you're not going to recognize me 7 weeks from tonight.
Now on to her opponent. Justice Daniel Kelly has received the most votes in the state. He's with family, friends, and supporters tonight in Milwaukee. He's perceived as the conservative candidate, and that's based off his record and is being backed by Republicans and the NRA. In his speech tonight, he thanked his family and his bosses, the people of Wisconsin.
And I've done my very best to be a faithful servant to them. And this evening, I can't even tell you how grateful I am to how great these bosses are and how they've once again wrapped me in their warm embrace and their welcoming and their supports and their encouragement.
The final candidate, law professor Ed Fallone, is done after tonight. He did not get enough support to continue. He thanked his staff in Milwaukee tonight for helping run a great campaign.
Everyone knew what we stood for, and no one, up until literally a few minutes ago, no one doubted that we were in this.
Both Fallone and Karofsky are considered liberal, so it'll be interesting to see if Fallone supporters will throw their weight behind Karofsky. It also lands on the same day as the Democratic presidential primary, which could help with turnout for the liberal candidate, Karofsky.
Amy Reed covering the state Supreme Court race tonight. Amy, thank you.